Hey, good morning everybody. I want to talk a little bit about my DJI Mini 2 drone. This is a cool drone and it's easy to fly, but there's some downfalls to it as to why sales have dropped on this particular drone. One is some patents have ended and other companies are jumping on the bandwagon. And this just does not have some of the options that other drones have, and the Mini Mavic has. And for just a couple of $100 more, you could get a Mini Mavic. This is fantastic. Don't get me wrong. This is easy to fly, and you're going to have a lot of fun with it. But there's a couple of things you need to know. Number one is a lot of people get it for the follow me mode. And there are sections on there that says follow me mode, and it's not really a follow me mode. You have to trick it into following you, and that's on a different video that I did if you want to see that. But you can trick it to follow you, but it's not really a follow me mode because you gotta kind of have to do a workaround to make it do that. Now, another thing that this does not have that the Mini Mavic has is the obstacle avoidance. These little things you see here when you're looking at this on the internet, if you're not real careful, you think that those are something there to do something. It's just blank holes with little black screens over them. There's nothing there. You can take those out and get an adapter that goes on the front of it that has lights for night flying if you are certified for night flying. This light back here blinks continuously night flying, and I can see mine very good, and I know which direction it's pointing when I'm flying at night. So I don't really need that in the front. But those do not have anything to do with the flying of the drone. Another thing, on the bottom here, now these do work, and when you're landing it and you get it close to the ground, it's going to stop about 2 or 3 feet above the ground, 2 feet maybe, before it will come down and land all the way, because it knows it needs to slow down for the descent to land. So I guess the main thing is the obstacle avoidance that this does not have, that DJI Mini Mavic has, and a lot of the other less expensive drones that are coming out also has that. But I'm not gonna send this back or sell it or anything. I'm gonna keep it because it does do real good with the picture quality. You can see that's the video that I took behind me with this drone, and it works real good. But if you're getting it for tracking you, like if you're a bicyclist or something and you want it to track you as you're going, it's not going to do that. It's not going to follow you. It does not have the follow me mode. So as I fly it and get more data on it and figure out more things, I'll let you know. But for now, that's all for this video. When I did get my Mini Mavic 2, I did get it with the 3 batteries, which costs you a little bit more. And you got to make sure you keep these batteries charged so when you're out flying that you have charged up batteries.